Now I am going to show you how you can install the demo WordPress site. To install demo WordPress site, you need to download this WordPress file and the database file. These two one I have already downloaded. You will find after download you will find these two files: TakeAway WP zip and TakeAway database SQL file. You need to download these both files. You are going to install this demo site so that you can make your site quickly. All the plugins, required plugins are installed here. So that later you can just edit product and other content or make new layout. So I will show you how to install this demo site in a cPanel. Like when you get a cPanel, you get like this. You go file manager, you probably find public.html5. So what you do, you upload all the file here in the public HTML folder. Yeah. I am going to show you how to install in a subdomain because my main domain like public HTML is already installed a site. So I am going to create new subdomain and install the file there like demo. The name will be like this. I'm going to add this in my root folder. So create, go back to cPanel, and again go back to file manager. So you can see my subdomain created here. Now I will upload WP file here, all the WP file here. Upload. You can just drag the file here. It will take some time. It's quite large, 106 megabyte. I will be back when it is done. Okay, it is complete. Now go back to your site plugin file. Now you need to extract the zip file. Extract here. You see all the WordPress file have been extracted. Now you need to create a database. Let's create a new database. Now to create a database, I'll go to MySQL database wizard. Then give a database name. Next, give a username. You can give the same name, database demo. I'm saving into my text here so that I can use later. Then you need to generate password. I have copied, use password, then create user. I am saving this password also to use later. Now you need to give all the privilege and make changes. Click make changes. Okay, the same method, if you click database, MySQL database, then you need to create new database, then create user and password. Then you need to add user to the database, like selecting TakeAway demo and add. You see the same things appear. So now I'm going to PHP my admin. This is my database, TakeAway demo. Now I have to import the MySQL. It is download TakeAway. This file TakeAway SQL. Open and go. It is uploading. Think there is some error. It's saying InnoDB a general table space name Rahul 080 TakeAway cannot be found. This one, table space Rahul 080 TakeAway. So what you need to do, this error may occur to you. So open this SQL file in a code editor, like I am using Visual Studio Code. Ignore. Now what was the error was table space this portion. Okay, copy this one and you need to find where all this, you see 3 occurrence here, so you need to delete this portion. Okay, okay, delete and save. Control S, save. Okay, now you need to go TakeAway demo and check all. Check all means you selected all, then you drop, because our database import was incomplete, so we deleted all. Again you go import, then choose the file TakeAway SQL, open, then again click go. Just uploading again. You see, import successful. Okay, now the next thing is you need to go to option, WP option. Okay, then you need to change this to URL. Like I'm going edit, sorry, you need to click edit and your URL is this. Whatever your URL is, just give it here. Go and edit this one also. And go. So database is done. Now you go to your cPanel file manager. The next thing is you need to edit WP config file. You see WP config file, you need to edit this. Edit. You need to edit database name, user and password. The database name was TakeAway demo. TakeAway demo. Username was also TakeAway demo, and password is this one. This one. Another thing is important, table prefix WP45. The database table prefix is also WP45. You see, WP45 options. WP45 options. So you check it is the same or not. If database name, username, password, and check the table prefix, then save change. Okay, now close. You can also check .htaccess file, this one. It should be fine. Yes, it's okay, no problem. You need to go to your newly installed website WP admin. I am going to mine one to show you. You need to do some editing also. Like, let's go to my site, go to install plugin. You need to install this better search and replace. This plugin also already installed, I think. You need to install this one, better search and replace plugin. Then you need to go to tools, go better search and replace. You see, you have imported my database, so all the URL in the database will be mine, so you need to replace that one. Like, you need to search for takeaway you need to search for this URL and replace with your newly installed website URL. Like you need to give proper URL like https and slash also similar to this one. Then you need to select all the database. You just click command and drag all the file. You see, you have selected all the file. Command and drag, or you can select individually. Then you need to select these two one and uncheck run as dry run. If you uncheck this, then the database replacement will occur, unless it will just show you how many file they found and need to be replaced. So uncheck this one and run search and replace, then you are done completely. After installing the WordPress website, you need to activate the license. Without license, some features, major features will not work. You can find the license from Code Canyon. Like for example, if you click download, you can see license certificate purchase code, license certificate purchase code. You can find the similar license code from my plugin, my app. So you need to go to TakeAway license. I have opened another tab here. You need to add license code and activate. After that, there are some settings. You need to do some settings. You need to go to TakeAway here. Then you can get some option. This is the option for layout. You can try change and view the layout. Like this site, online, this layout, menu layout. So there are some different menu layout, and these two are default service charge or back charge if you want. If you don't want, just put it 0 here. And most important is Firebase connection. You must add Firebase connection here. This one is your project ID and this one is the Firebase keys URL. If you go to Firebase and add any project, I will show you how you will add project in the future video. So let's see my project first. This is the project ID. So you need project ID here, and this is the license key. For license key, you need to go to service account. Then manage service account. add action, this one, add action, manage key. You see manage key. When you add key, you will have option to download. Okay, this is my key. I have already downloaded the key. You can create new key, and after creating the key, the key will have a download option. So after download, what you need to do, you need to upload here. Add media, you can upload here, and you will get the download link, and you need to paste the link here. You see, you will get a JSON file when download. Then you need to paste the link here and save changes. So these are the most important settings. Here are some required plugin. If you would like to use your own WordPress setup and don't want to install my setup, then you need to install some required plugin like JWT authentication for WP API. This is required. Without this plugin, login and authentication and sign up will not work. And TakeAway, this is the main required plugin. You will get this plugin from the Code Canyon download also. And this one is product add-on. You can use this plugin for add-on product. This is not compulsory but recommended. This is also a recommended plugin, quick view plugin. You will get these two plugin when you install my package, or you can take these two plugin from my package and install it here. This quick view plugin for quick view for variable product only. For example, this one is chicken biryani is a variable product. When you click here, it will quick view. You see, so client can choose variation and add to cart without going to the single page and save their time. This plugin do that. So two record plugin, JWT authentication and TakeAway, and other two is recommended. These two plugin I have added the compatibility code in my app, so these two plugin is compatible with my app. That's it.